The PUNEHOD A3 DTF printer L1800 with roll feeder is an advanced direct-to-film transfer printing machine designed for both beginners and professionals. Make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to get this printer at the latest price available. This printer stands out with its newly updated roll feeder and cutter function, allowing you to print continuously on roll film up to 100 meters long, which means no more printing one sheet at a time. This innovative feature saves time and minimizes film waste by cutting prints precisely at the end. This printer supports a maximum media width of 13 inches, making it versatile enough for a wide variety of fabric items including cotton, polyester, leather, t-shirts, caps, bags, and more. Whether you are printing on light or dark-colored fabrics, the PUNEHOD A3 DTF printer delivers excellent results thanks to its advanced CMYK+WW white ink configuration. The white ink recirculation system is a key highlight, designed to prevent nozzle clogging by continuously mixing and circulating the white ink, ensuring smooth and consistent printing without interruptions. Equipped with the latest L1800 nozzle printing technology, this printer creates vibrant, vivid, and detailed images that meet professional standards. The printer kit comes fully equipped with everything you need to get started immediately: an A3 oven for curing, 6 250 ml ink bottles, 500 grams of powder, 100 meters of roll film, a roll stand, specialized software, comprehensive video tutorials, and all necessary accessories. This makes the setup process straightforward and efficient, even for those new to DTF printing. Beyond hardware and features, PUNEHOD provides reliable customer service with a dedicated technical support team ready to assist within 24 hours. This support ensures that any installation or printing issues can be resolved quickly, helping users achieve consistent, high-quality results from day one. The combination of advanced technology, thoughtful design, and complete accessory inclusion makes this printer a comprehensive solution for custom fabric printing needs. Whether for business or hobby, the PUNEHOD A3 DTF printer L1800 is a powerful and professional choice that stands out in the market.